Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best exercise bikes that are available on the market for their true quality. These picks are perfect for anyone looking to elevate their home workouts and get the best value for their money. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Xterra Fitness Folding Exercise Bike. Designed for convenience and compactness, this bike is perfect for those with limited space. Its unique X-frame design allows it to fold down to a mere 18.1 by 18.1 footprint, making it incredibly easy to store when not in use. The large padded seat and multi-position handlebars ensure comfort during longer workouts, while the 8 resistance levels controlled via a manual dial provide a customizable exercise intensity. The bike's build quality is solid, constructed from alloy steel, but its 225-pound weight capacity may not suit all users. Additionally, its 2x1-inch LCD display is straightforward and tracks essential metrics such as speed, distance, time, calories, and pulse. While it lacks some modern app connectivity, the Xterra bike is reliable for those who value simplicity and portability. Pros include its foldable design and ease of use, but the limited weight capacity and basic display might be drawbacks for some. Overall, this bike is ideal for beginners or users in small apartments who need a no-fuss solution for staying active. Next up at number 4 is the Yasuda Indoor Cycling Bike. This bike is all about durability and smooth performance. Equipped with a 30-pound flywheel and a heavy-duty steel frame, it ensures a stable and sturdy ride even during intense cycling sessions. The belt-driven system is impressively quiet, making it perfect for apartment dwellers or those with sleeping kids at home. One of its standout features is its adjustability. With a 4-way padded seat and 2-way adjustable handlebars, this bike accommodates users of various heights, ranging from 4 feet 8 inches to 6 feet 1 inch. The LCD monitor tracks important metrics like time, speed, calories burned, and more. Plus, its tablet holder adds an entertainment factor to your workouts. However, it uses a friction resistance system, which may require occasional maintenance compared to magnetic options. The Yasuda bike offers excellent value at $199.99, with a solid build and user-friendly design. Pros include its smooth and quiet operation, while cons might be the friction resistance and slightly heavier weight. This bike is best for those seeking a mid-range option with robust performance for the whole family. Coming in at number 3 is the Marach Exercise Bike, a standout option for those who value technology and interactivity. This bike includes 6 months of access to the Marach app, where users can enjoy coach-led workouts and scenic rides. It's also compatible with popular apps like Zwift and Kinemap, providing a connected and engaging workout experience. Performance-wise, the Marach bike is impressive. Its multi-slot belt drive keeps noise levels below 25 decibels, making it one of the quietest bikes on this list. The 100 levels of adjustable resistance offer precise control over your workout intensity, and its triangular steel frame ensures stability for users up to 300 pounds. The enhanced LED monitor displays real-time metrics like distance, speed, and calories burned. However, the friction resistance system may require occasional pad replacements. Priced at $209.99, the Marach bike strikes a great balance between affordability and advanced features. Pros include its app compatibility and silent operation, while cons are the friction resistance and slightly more complex setup. It's an excellent choice for tech-savvy users looking to bring the Spin Studio experience home. Our runner-up is the Cursor Fitness Exercise Bike, coming in as the most budget-friendly option at $189.99. Despite its lower price, this bike doesn't skimp on features. It boasts a ventilated and cushioned saddle, dual water bottle holders, and a large tablet mount, making it a comfortable and practical choice for home workouts. Its weight capacity of 300 pounds and adjustable seat and handlebars make it versatile for a wide range of users. The Cursor Fitness Bike features a belt-driven system for smooth and quiet operation, along with 100 resistance levels for a tailored workout experience. However, it uses friction resistance, which may require maintenance over time. The built-in LCD monitor tracks essential metrics, and the bike comes with a 5-year frame warranty, providing peace of mind. While it lacks app compatibility and some premium features, the Cursor Fitness bike offers unbeatable value for its price. Pros include its affordability and user-friendly design, while cons involve the friction-resistant system. It's an excellent choice for budget-conscious buyers looking for a reliable and feature-packed exercise bike. And finally, at number 1, we have the Slunts Silent Magnetic Resistance Stationary Bike. This bike is the premium pick on our list, and for good reason. With a magnetic resistance system, it provides a smooth and maintenance-free ride, while the 35-pound flywheel and heavy-duty steel frame ensure stability for users up to 350 pounds. It's also app-compatible with Zwift and KinoMap, allowing you to tap into a world of interactive workouts and challenges. The Slunts bike is packed with thoughtful features, including a fully adjustable seat and handlebars, a high-rebound cushion seat for added comfort, and a quiet belt drive that's perfect for home or office use. It even includes a durable anti-slip mat to protect your floors and reduce noise further. The LCD monitor tracks all the essential metrics, helping you keep tabs on your progress. At $239.99, the Slunts bike is a premium option that delivers exceptional value. Pros include its magnetic resistance, app compatibility, and robust build quality, while the only real con might be its higher price. If you want the best of the best for your home gym, the Slunts bike is the way to go. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.